Today we will be talking about Mercury, a very small but hot planet in the solar system.
The distance from the Sun to Mercury is 36 million miles. It is the closest planet to the Sun. The radius of Mercury is 1,516 miles. The diameter is 3,032 miles wide. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system.
Instead of an atmosphere, Mercury has a thin exosphere of atoms blasted off the surface of Mercury by solar wind and striking meteors. It has an exosphere of oxygen, sodium, potassium, helium, and hydrogen. One day on Mercury would be equal to 176 Earth days, which is 2 years on Mercury. One part of the day would be 59 Earth days hot, the other part would be 59 Earth days cold.
There are 88 Earth days in a year on Mercury. The highest temperature on Mercury could go up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, and the lowest temperature on Mercury is minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit. Mercury has very hot temperatures during the day and very low temperatures during the night.
Mercury is the second densest planet in the solar system before Earth. It was formed 4.5 billion years ago when gas and dust were pulled together by gravity to create Mercury. It has a large metallic core, which is 85% of the radius, and it is partly molten or liquid. It has an outer shell comparable to Earth's, 250 miles thick. Mercury has no moons. As if it did, it would be a kamikaze mission into the sun.
Mercury has many craters named after artists, musicians, and authors. Some areas on Mercury are smooth, and some areas have cliffs. The surface of Mercury is similar to our moon's surface.
Mercury has a magnetosphere of 1% the strength of Earth's. It interacts with the magnetic field of solar winds to sometimes create intense magnetic tornadoes.
9 cool facts you need to know about Mercury. Mercury is just a bit bigger than the Earth's moon. If Mercury was the size of a blueberry, Earth would be the size of a nickel. If you weigh 100 pounds on Earth, you would weigh 38 pounds on Mercury. It would take 18 Mercuries to be the size of Earth. The speed of orbit of Mercury around the Sun is 29 miles per second, faster than any other planet. Mercury's name is appropriately named after the swiftest of the ancient Roman gods.
Mercury has no atmosphere to retain the heat. Mercury may have water deep inside its craters. Mercury used to have active volcanoes. There were vents on the surface where lava used to flow out.